This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about tasting cups, specifically these porcelain tasting cups. And we have the 6-ounce square Cova bowl, which you can see has these wonderful tapered edges and a really nice sharp geometric design. It's 3.5 inches wide by 2 inches deep. And we also have the square medium quadrato cup, which is 5 ounces. And this one is 2.25 inches wide by 2 inches deep. And you can see this one has a nice, soft, curved, rounded look to it. So they're two very unique, different styles that are going to give you some options for your presentations. They're crafted from pristine white porcelain that's both chip and crack resistant. So they're going to maintain their look and just be a fantastic piece to use. They're both microwave and oven safe, so they're great for serving warm treats and samples as well. They're built to stand up to heavy use and can even be washed in commercial dishwashers for easy cleanup. They can be used for things like condiments, sauces, dips, for sampling, or even for things like single bite or small portion dishes, for mini desserts, and also some great setups for appetizers. These are great for a variety of types of restaurants, caterers, and other food establishments, and really just anyone that's looking for a versatile serving and sampling piece.